So let me be real with you. Cold DMs, random emails, and hope market is actually dead now. In 2026, attention is expensive and trust is everything. And AI has changed the game completely. If you are still chasing clients manually, you are already behind. The new game is simple: attract, qualify, and close. And you need to do all of that on autopilot. And in this video, I'm going to show you a no BS AI funnel that actually does everything for you on autopilot. And it's going to help you even if you're starting from zero. So step one, pick a niche that already pays. And most people fail before they even start because they choose the wrong niche. You don't need passion, you need demand, right? Look for businesses that are already paying more compared to other industries. For example, coaching, agency owners, SaaS founders. These people are actually already paying for marketing, right? And if they are already paying for marketing, they can pay you as well. So don't try to create demand. Step into it. The easiest clients to close are the ones that are already looking for your service, right? So step two is building a simple AI-powered offer. Forget complicated services. In 2026, the winning move is simple: outcome-based offers powered by AI. For example, I'll get you 20 qualified leads in 40 days using AI systems, right? This message is clear and it describes the outcome directly to the customer, right? So you need to step into this type of service-based business. And you can use AI tools to automate everything, especially when you're selling this type of services, right? And one thing you will notice that this type of offer is actually describing clear results and clear timeline, which also help you to close people in much easier way. And you need to use AI tools to automate content, outreach, follow-ups, right? Because clients don't care how you do it. They just care about the results, right? And it is easier for them to understand when your offer is super clear and the outcome is super clear and super fast. Okay, so number three, you don't need fancy website. Just one clean page that does three things: grab attention, builds trust, and get action. Start with a strong headline, show proof or results, even if it's from testing. And add a simple call to action like book a free call. Or you can use AI tools to generate copy and design, even landing page in minutes, right? And you need to keep it simple because complexity kills conversion, right? Step four. So this is where the magic happens, right? Instead of chasing clients, you make them come to you. Use AI to create short-form content, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, talking directly to your niche problems. And you need to post daily, right? Educate, show results, and give value for free, especially when you are new. You need to understand one thing, that one viral video can bring you more leads than 100 cold email messages, right? So in modern world, attention is new currency. All right, so step five. Now the attention is coming in, you need to capture it, right? And you need to automate lead capture with smart AI systems. You can use AI chatbots, forms, or landing pages to collect leads automatically. Ask simple questions like, what's your business? What's your biggest problem? Are you ready to invest? These filter out low quality leads and saves your time as well, right? When you ask simple questions to them. And you only talk to people who are already interested, right? Because if you waste time with people that are just asking you stupid questions and just asking you for the proof and all of that, then I think that they are wasting your time, right? Because they are already skeptical, and it is very hard to convert skepticals, right? Okay, okay. So the step 6, cold outreach is actually dead, right? So you need AI powered outreach system, right? That doesn't feel spammy, right? Instead of blasting generic messages, use AI to personalize at scale. Mention something specific about their business, their content, or their results. Keep it short and relevant. And at first, you need to understand that your goal is not to convert. Your goal is to start a conversation with them, right? And when it feels human, people respond, right? So you need to make sure that it also should feels like a human talking to them, right? To them, because people respond to humans rather than chatbots. But you can actually automate that completely by using your own creativity in the messages as well, right? So step 7, book calls automatically. Stop going back and forth in DMs. Use calendar system so leads can book instantly. And short pre-call from to qualify them, right? That is very important. So you need to call them first. In other words, then you need to confirm that, hey, I'm selling this. Are you interested? If you're interested, then we can have a long conversation when you're free, right? So don't just randomly call them, right? Ask them for their free time. When they're free, then you can easily convey your message or offer to them, right? So this makes you look professional and filter out time wasters, right? High quality clients respect structure, right? And when someone books a call, they're already halfway to be sold, right? So this is what you need to do, right? Book a call automatically, but then with just short book a call automatically, but just have a short call with them, right? Where you just confirm the time. So you can have more productive call with them, right? Okay, so step 9. You don't need to be a sales expert. Just follow this structure. Understand their problems, show them the gap, and present your solution. And keep it simple. No pressure, no hype. If your offer solves a real problem, the close becomes natural, right? Remember, clarity closes deals, not tricks. Okay, so that is very important because if you are too salesy, they will not like you. And if you are going to be too smart and try to create a psychological angle and try to upsell them something, or let's say that try to pitch them again and again, they are not going to respect you, right? So you need to have patience, and you need to let them talk to you, right? And then present your simple solution. Don't overpromise, and don't just in order to close, don't promise that you will over-deliver as well, right? So I've seen people over-promising and then they lose clients, right? Don't overpromise anything, right? People likes reality, and especially the business people are very intelligent. They are not like other people, right? There's a difference between selling to an 80 years old girl some fashion related product than selling a grown up 35 years old businessman a marketing service, right? So step 9 is deliver results using AI systems. Once you get a client, use AI to deliver faster and better. Automate content, lead generation, and reporting, because it can save a lot of time. The faster you get results, the faster you build trust, right? And trust leads to get more referrals, right? Testimonials and repeated clients, right? And this is how you scale without burning out, right? Without burning money on ads. Oh, so the step 10 is turning one client into 10. Your first client is the hardest. After that, it's leverage. ask for testimonials, case studies, and referrals. Turn results into content. Show proof everywhere. This creates a loop. Content brings leads, leads bring clients, and client brings proof, and proof brings more clients, right? So you can easily do that, right? You can get a lot of, if your service is incredibly good, you can get a lot of clients by word of mouth marketing, right? So focus on closing one client and delivering extremely good results, right? And make it impossible for your client to go somewhere else, right? Because every market has a lot of competition, right? And in order to beat the competition, you need to make sure that your client is in love with you, right? And how you can do that? By making his life easier, right? So people don't like to switch from one place to another, right? So the same thing happens in the business as well. When a client is comfortable, they will not leave you. So you need to make sure once you have it, don't lose it, right? Okay, so now let me repeat this for you. So let's simplify everything. Pick a niche, create a simple offer, build a one-page funnel, attract with content, capture leads, and automate outreach. Then book calls, close deals, and deliver results, and scale, right? That's it. No fluff, no complicated system, just a clean, repeatable process, right? So this is what you need to actually become profitable, building a one funnel system, right? So one thing I want to clear with you that majority of the people don't take action. They don't do it, right? They overthink, they procrastinate, or they chase some another shiny tools. But the ones who take action, even imperfectly, have the higher chances to win, right? The opportunity right now with AI is massive, right? But it won't stay easy, right? Forever. The best time to start is today, right? In fact, the best time is to start is right now, right? So don't procrastinate and take action today. So if you get any type of value from this video, you need to click on the subscribe button, and you need to drop a comment below saying AI funnel, right? And when you comment AI funnel in this video below, I will know that you're serious about scaling your business, right? Right. And if you want me to break down the exact tools to do that, right, I can do that in the next video as well. So you need to comment AI funnel in this video, and you need to drop your email, right, by clicking the link below, right? And from there, my team will contact you, and we will see how we can help you with your business, right? And we are actually very good at building AI funnels, and we've been doing this from last 3 to 4 years, especially even before OpenAI, right? So you can drop your email, and we will look at your business, and from there, we will see how we can help you, right? All right, that's it for this video. Take care.